Oh, they've done her eyebrows well there, haven't
That actually really looks like it.
Ooh. We did actually have a bit of a disaster with the bike yesterday. Oh. I was actually going to say cool.
No, you were not. Come on, Kay. What's up with you? Oh, is that okay?
Oh, there we go.
That's it.
Nice.
All you needed is just a Cwtsh, wasn't it?
Am I squishing you, am I?
No, you're fine. First thoughts on the Cwtsh. It's lovely.
Very nice. Love the chair.
Yeah, love the chair. Chair's amazing and good company.
Nice little space, isn't it?
Yeah. I feel very comfortable to share everything in here. So far, being at the Euros, it's been quite surreal, hasn't it? Yesterday,
Yeah.
I think it all hit us a bit.
I think when we landed, it was like all the attention and seeing the bus with us Wales on it. It was pretty surreal moment.
I think my 10-year-old self wouldn't be able to believe me that I'd be here. She'd be ecstatic, but she wouldn't be able to believe me.
Yeah, no, just like disbelief, I think. Just the dreams, isn't it? It's what dreams are made of.
Me and Ceri said that we were going to wake up and go for a lovely morning walk and coffee, but Ceri actually bailed on me, didn't you?
No, I was just a little bit late, that was the only problem.
The same thing happened today.
Timekeeping's not my best, but
2 days in a row.
But we did get up, we went out, we're staying in a lovely spot, so we went out and explored. We saw the Swiss Alps in the background.
Yep.
Watched a few people tee off on the golf
Yeah,
course
that
near the
was nice.
hotel. And then...
A lovely sunflower field as well.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
And yeah, no, I'm enjoying the golf, aren't I?
Yeah, you are quite good.
Yeah, we had a little Algarve Masters actually out in Portugal in our pre-camp. Elise and Charlie actually won the day. We were all paired up, had a little scramble.
Where did you place?
Our scramble actually came last,
Oh.
me and Lois, but we bought the vibes, I think. We were very entertaining, apparently.
You or Lois?
I think Lois brought the entertainment more than me, but no, it was a very entertaining day. And yeah, we're improving. We're going to have a little go on the Swiss course, I think.
Yeah, I do like a little bit of golf. I didn't get the invite
You're
though.
getting better, aren't you?
Yeah, I didn't get the invite, so hopefully I'll get the invite this time round, won't I?
Yeah, of course you can.
But I just like to chill in the pool, go to the spa, a bit more calm.
You're a bit more zen vibes than
Yeah.
me. I have to be a bit more on the go.
We have been out on the bikes though, haven't we? That's been fun.
We did actually have a bit of a disaster with the bikes yesterday. So there's some electric bikes.
And some normal bikes.
In the hotel, and I was like, oh, I'm going to get the electric one, less on the legs. Her and Lois took the normal ones, and I actually couldn't turn it on. So we went down the hill and tried to come back up, and it just wouldn't work. So
She ended up pushing the bike back up the hill. Me and Lois were flying up the
it
hill.
was a heavy little thing to push back up. I think to get it all kicked off will be a pretty surreal moment. Looking forward to seeing all the Welsh fans in their bucket hats out at the stadiums. And yeah, I think like it'll be a really surreal moment when we walk out on the pitch and get our Euros started. But no, we're looking forward to it, aren't we?
I think it'll all start to feel real as well when families start coming over, and that'll be really nice.
And my mum and all of them have just got new shirts, name on the back, so they're going to look like a little squad, to be fair.
Class.
Yeah.
Yeah, same here.
I got taught danke. That's apparently like
not my
slang for thank you. A little lad who had his little Wales top on, bless him.
Yeah.
He was teaching me some little bits yesterday, and I took away danke.
Yeah, we need to get on that, maybe learn a little bit more.
Yeah, we'll get better.
Prost.
Come on, you're the linguistic out of us.
Yeah, but prost.
Cross.
Goal.
Goal. Oh, okay. Cheers. Free kick.
Free kick. Yes. Kick
How do you say that in
read.
Welsh? Though?
Kick read.
Kick lead.
Upsets.
Foul. Don't ask me how I've got foul from that. But
Oh,
wasn't bad actually.
I was actually going to say that as well until you, yeah.
Alright, just blend me.
Cam Sevill.
Oh, that's a bit tough, that one.
No, say it.
Cam.
Sevill.
Oh, I can't
Go on, give it a go.
No.
Give it a go. Why are you backing out?
Go on the time.
Cam.
Yeah.
Sev.
Cam. Sev.
Ich.
Hich.
Ich.
Hich.
Cam Sevill.
Yeah, we'll come back to that one.
Yeah.
Come back to me in a few days.
Ege.
Ege. Run.
Well, I was actually going to say
No,
corner.
you were not. Kick Godnell.
Okay, go on now.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, that's easy, that one.
Elfmitter. I ain't got a clue.
Goal line technology.
I was going to say that.
Kig Gospe.
Just, where'd you get the F from?
I don't know.
Kick Gosp.
Kig God.
Gosp.
Go on one time. Kig God.
Kick Gosp.
Gosp.
Yeah, there we go.
Kig Gosp.
Yeah, nice.
It's actually just Ceri learning Welsh.
Yeah.
Forget that.
That actually looks like Welsh, that does.
Oh, no.
Dear Rotti Wand. I don't know though, what would that be?
Goal.
No, that's too long for goal.
Right then, come on then. Chant.
Support.
Ah,
I said it was Welsh related, didn't I? Oh, Wal Goch.
there we are.
No.
No, just move on. Just stitching me now.
Ceri, I hear you are quite a good piano player.
Yeah, she is.
Not bad. It's not
You
bad.
got a piano here?
Oh.
This is
Oh,
brilliant.
glad.
Oh.
Oh, we should have. Oh,
Go on, what have you got then?
not much. What else?
Has you got a little demo on there? Oh, sorry. Stop.
No.
I'm just seeing if it goes with it. Yeah, you're no Ludovico, I won't lie.
That was good. That had a bit of rhythm for a second. Come on, then,
Absolutely
piano.
not.
Yeah, let's see
Absolutely not. I was
Come
the
on,
one
give
in
us
school that would just play the demo and the teacher would tell me off.
No, you can't put the music in the
Yeah,
background.
but
You
Gal,
need to-
I don't know
You need to
anything.
focus on your piano playing.
Or teach me then.
Let's do. Just give us 2 seconds. I can't remember it. There you go.
What?
You can do that. Just don't roll this.
I think I'll just stick to singing, I think.
You can do that. Come on. Bang, bang. No. 1, 2. Go that. 1, 2.
That's what I just did. Had I an hour?
That was good, wasn't it?
Okay.
One more time. Oh no, wrong note, wrong note.
Oh, sorry. Nice.
That's pretty good from us.
Hi Ceri Holland, this is our attempt at playing a Mawhid. Can you do any better?
Good luck, Cal.
She's very good, isn't she?
She's brilliant. Right, you're up. That was brilliant.
Yeah, I can't
That was
top
really
that.
good.
Not on. Ready?
Yeah. Gweitha pawb a phopeth, gweitha pawb a phopeth, gweitha pawb a phopeth, rynnu yma o hyd. Oh, that's good, that
That was
was.
decent. Not too
That was
bad.
good. Yeah, the Cwtsh is lovely, but I think it... Why does it keep doing that?
Stop. Sorry about that. Oh, look at that shirt though. That's lovely.
Is that Jess?
Sorry, can
Pass
you
me
just
that here. Pass me that here. That's brilliant.
Let's not ruin the Cwtsh. Oh.
Thank you.
It's just like when we qualified now. Oh, you should have worn that the whole time.
You should have held Jess the whole time.
Yeah, we just...
I think this is the best addition to the Cwtsh. Don't you think?
What, our Welsh legend?
Yeah.
God, they've done her eyebrows well there, haven't
That
they?
actually really looks like it.
Ooh. God, she's been in the gym flat out. Look
Oh
at
my god, look at
her forearms.
And her quads. Look at
Class.
that definition.
Yeah, just how close is this? This close? Still a bit closer? Can you see the definition? In the quads, they've gone her green boots, and here, her brows are on fleek.
Class.
That's like a little celebration.
That is, yeah.
Just when she scores another banger, we'll just put her back there, shall we? Oh, let's just keep her
You
in,
can't
shall we?
ruin the Cwtsh.
Yeah, no, we'll just keep her in. There she is. That's class. I think Cwtsh was actually the first Welsh word that I learnt.
Was it?
Yeah, my mum always says like, oh, come here for a Cwtsh. And my granddad used to he used to be a big Cwtsh. Oh, give us a
Yeah.
Cwtsh. So yeah, probably my first word. So it actually means quite a lot.
Yeah.
Um,
I love a Cwtsh me. Like, I think
we do like a Cwtsh, don't
we
we?
went out for a walk this morning and came across Livy. And I was like, oh, come here, give me a Cwtsh. I love a Cwtsh me.
Yeah.
And then we all just had a little Cwtsh, didn't we? It was really nice.
And I think it's nice because everybody, even the non-Welsh speakers,
yeah.
everybody knows what a Cwtsh is. Like,
Yeah.
if you,
Cwtsh is a big thing on camp.
Yeah.
Like sometimes, all you need is a Cwtsh. Like you this morning, you just needed a Cwtsh,
I just
didn't you?
needed a Cwtsh. And I was fine then.
Yeah.
Happy days.
Yeah, exactly.